Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this foldable Pilates board. This thing is really nice because it's compact, yet so useful and versatile with all sorts of different workouts with different muscles and everything. It folds up and down. I mean, super simple. These can actually just come right off, so you can actually lay it flat if you wanted to store it underneath the bed or a couch or whatever. So if you did have like a small apartment or dorm room or whatever, this is a good way to be able to use a reformer. It does have 24 non-slip grips here on the bottom, so you can have that on different surfaces of your home. Now, you can have it set up in many different ways. It does have 2 cords on the side if you wanted to work on your arms. You have a knee pad, so you can kneel down. I've actually got a yoga mat here. You can kind of see how big it is in comparison. You've got the little pad here, though, that you can lay down. You've got your little armrests here. These are all nice and padded. And you have an area here for your phone. So when you're looking at this, you can easily do lots of different exercises, like I've said. So let's start out and I will show you some of the things you can do. So Pilates is just a great way to get those deep muscles. These are really nice. It holds up to 300 pounds. So you can easily do different workouts, whether you're working your core and you're just bringing it in and out like this. And that just works really well with your core. Or if you're wanting to do planks, this is a great way to be able to exercise. You can also bring it in and out from a plank position, and it'll just glide with you really nicely. If you wanted to watch a little exercise program on your phone area, that's really nice. If you didn't want to use these together, you can actually just take this little part out. Then you could just do one arm at a time for whatever exercises you wanted to do. Or if you wanted to use it as a little stepping thing, and do different exercises this way, you can easily do it with your legs. One of the really cool things is your arms. So you can just stand on this side to side. You can work different muscles, whether it's your biceps, you can lean back and do some triceps. This is just a nice resistance tool that you can have in your home without taking up a ton of space. It's plastic. So it is built really well. I love how it folds up and condenses. Easy to travel with, has some nice traveling handles, and a cell phone holder.